Right, with question 7 here, we want to find the three inequalities that satisfy this shaded region. When I looked at this, I realised this line here has got nothing to do with it, okay? It's completely irrelevant. It's a bit of a red herring, okay? So we can ignore that line because that there is nowhere near the shaded region, isn't it? Okay, so some random line being drawn. Here though, okay, we've got a line, okay, here. And we've also got the y-axis and the x-axis acting as a line, alright? And they have also got equations. If you think about it logically, if you think about the y-axis here, it's a vertical line, isn't it? It's a vertical line. And when we draw vertical lines, it's always x equals something. So even though it's the actual y-axis here, forming that boundary, because it's vertical, we call it x equals. And you know, you've got to ask yourself, what is it? X equals what? Well, it goes through the origin, isn't it? So we'd say x equals 0. Think about it. Every point on that y-axis there, every point, x is equal to 0. Okay, so that's why it's called the line x equals 0. Now ask yourself, what side do we have this line, the left or the right? Well, with the left of it, so we'll say then x is less than or equal to 0. Same then here, this line is acting as a boundary, isn't it, the region, and of course horizontal lines are y equals. But of course this will be y equals 0 as well, won't it? Because everything is y is 0 here. So you've got to ask yourself then, are we above or underneath? Well, we're above it, aren't we? So y will be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. To get the line in on the diagonal, we obviously then need to do y equals mx plus c, the gradient. Well, we've got a triangle already made for us here, haven't we? Okay, so the rise will be this here, which is 2. Divide by the step then, okay, which is 8, if you think about it. Okay, so we're stepping across 8, rising to, so 2 over 8. And it is positive, okay, it is positive because it's going upwards, increasing there. So you could simplify that to be a quarter, okay, and then in our answer, y equals mx plus c, we'd have y equals 1/4 x plus c. Well, it intersects the y-axis there at 2, okay, at 2. So that's what it is there. Now, are we above or underneath the line? We're underneath the line, so our inequality will be less than or equal to quarter x plus 2. Okay, so our three answers are x is less than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0, and y is less than or equal to 1/4 x plus 2.